Pancake. Pancake are an American classic breakfast, and brunch would simply be incomplete without these fluffy stalks of deliciousness boiled high and served with syrup, butter, and all of your topping favorites. In this article, we will explore the history and tradition behind one of our favorite breakfast staple, pancake. The earliest atlas reference to tagenias are in the work of the 5th century BC poet Crantinus and Magnes. 600 BC, the first recorded mention of pancakes dates back to ancient Greece and come from a poet who described warm pancake in one of his writings. A pancake is a flat cake, often thin and round, prepared from a starch-based batter that may contain egg, milk, and butter, and cooked on a hot surface such as a griddle or frying pan, often frying with oil or butter. It is a type of butter bread. If you want any other food history, please comment and subscribe it.